There she is. Just picked up from the dealer today. Inky black Trialmaster, first one in Africa. Super pleased. I changed the tires, obviously. These are 285/70 on the stock 17s before I get a set of aftermarket rims, but extremely impressed. The build quality is just breathtaking. It's unbelievable. Better than anything I expected. And it's fantastic on the road too. So yeah, I'll be sharing more videos in the coming weeks. Big thank you to Wooten Automotive, WA, the dealer in Kenya. They've been absolutely fantastic, the entire team.